Has this ever happened to you? So you'll be driving your housemates to somewhere they could easily reach on foot. They say, "Oh, could you just let me get something out of the boot?" And I go, "Yeah, sure, I'll just push the button." And nothing happens. Maybe a small noise from the back, but the boot doesn't open. Well, if that sounds a little bit familiar, then stay tuned, because this is a very easy job, and I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do to get it done. Let's go. So, from left to right, here's what you're going to need. There is a boot release servo, a cross-headed screwdriver, and a socket set, and it's just as simple as that. First, you're going to want to start by opening the boot and locating 3 screws, one here, and one here. So go ahead and remove all 3 screws, and then take off this trim panel. I like to start at the top here and just pull it free. So under here you'll find the servo itself, and you're going to want to start by removing this green little washer here and just pulling out the tab that holds the cable in place. It's a little bit fiddly, so just give it a little bit of time, and you should be able to work it free without damaging it. Next, go ahead and undo the bolts. It's also worth mentioning that there's a little plastic plug that you're going to need to pull out, and the unit just slides out. You're going to want to replace it with the new one, just like that. Just goes back in place of the old one. And I'll just quickly plug it in there, give it a little test. And that works beautifully. Here it is compared to the old one. And pop the little cable back there, and that is installed. So, just give the trim panel a little push all the way around, make sure you don't snag the little cables at the top, and screw it back in, and you are done. That's it. And so never again will I have to get out of my car and fumble around with the keys just to get things out of the boot. And that is the way it should be. If this video helped you, I would appreciate a thumbs up, if that would, it does help a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching.